Hello students, now I am going to teach you grammar fun topic, that is from your workbook and English reader book. First all of you take out your workbooks also and your English 2 book, that is your English reader book also take out and workbook also take out. It is your workbook. Open these both books. And the page number is 64, chapter number is 8, chapter number is 8, Clever Hassan. The page number is of reader book 64 and the workbook page number is 32. Okay students? Now, look at your English reader book now, 64 page number. There is an exercise. Underline the adjectives in these sentences. First, you have to understand that what do you mean by adjective? What are adjectives? In the first term syllabus already you have done. Let's revise that once again. Adjectives. So, a word that tells you more about noun is called an adjective. A word that adds something to the meaning of a noun also, that is called adjectives. So the exercise is underline the adjectives in these sentences. Let's take some examples like beautiful garden. Garden is a noun and we are adding the beautiful word to the garden. That means that beautiful word is an adjective. So let's now see the exercise G, page number 64, reader book. Underline the adjectives. These leaves are green. Here in these sentences, we are describing that what type of leaves are. They are green. Green word is adjective. Second is my doll has curly hair. Which type of hair? Curly hair. The next is the mangoes are juicy. Yes, juicy word is an adjective. Number 4, an elephant is a huge animal. Yes, huge word is an adjective. Number 5, I love hot milk. Yes, now you have to tell that which is an adjective. Milk is noun, I subjective, love verb. Now hot word is adjective. Then lemons are sour. Yes, now you have to see which is an adjective. H part, look at the H part. Tick the correct adjective for the given nouns. Here with the nouns, some adjectives are given. You have to see which is the suitable adjective for that noun. First is already done, tall giraffe. Second, mangoes. Is there any blue mango? No. Ripe mangoes. Day, sunny day, which has sunlight. Honey, sweet honey. Any or a kind of honey? Yes, that is sweet honey. We take sweet honey. Then butterfly. Thick butterfly or pretty butterfly? Yes, pretty. Next is stone. Sunny stone. Is there any sunny stone? You have seen that? No. That is heavy stone with the weight. Okay, now look at the workbook. Same adjective topic is there. Page number 32. Tick the words that correctly describe the nouns. Yes, the word which describe the noun that you have to tick. First is beach. Beach is a noun. Now you have to see that beach word will get which adjective? Pink or sandy? Sandy beach. Yes. Then the rabbit, fluffy rabbit. Room, long room or tidy room? Yes, that is tidy room. Zebra, striped zebra. Next is number 5, day. There are there are different types of days, that sunny day, windy day. Yes, here is a windy day. Then journey, long journey, which takes long time. Soldiers, brave soldiers, with those are giving the duty on the borders. Then next is apple, red apple. So these are the words which describe the nouns. Next is fill in the blanks with correct adjectives from the practice. Same exercise is there. Now you have to solve it. First is a giraffe is a black or tall animal. You have to see now which is the correct answer. Okay students, now the next chapter is chapter number 9, the unhappy bus. The unhappy bus. Page number is 74 from the reader book, and from the workbook page number is 35. So, students, earlier we have studied the adverb. It is the exercise related with adverb. In the previous video already we have discussed about adverb. So, just you tell me, what do you mean by adverb? Yes? A word that adds something to the meaning of a verb is called an adverb. That describes the meaning of a verb is called an adverb. That adds something to the meaning of a verb. That word is called an adverb. Okay. Now let's solve the exercise. One more thing about adverb, they always end with the ly word. So now here is an exercise, add ly and rewrite these words. Here are some words given on your book. You have to add ly with that words at the end and write on the book. First already is done, month, monthly, week, weekly, slow, slowly, light, lightly. According to this, you have to do this exercise. Okay students, next is G exercise, underline the adverbs in these sentences. Yes, I already told you that adverbs words end with the ly word. So now you have to see which words are adverbs and you have to underline that words. So now look at your workbook page number 35, same exercise is there. Underline the adverbs in these sentences. Same thing I have already told you that which words are ending with the ly words. These are adverbs. You have to see that words and underline with the pencil on your book. Next is E exercise on your workbook page number is 36. Circle the 8 adverbs in the word search. In the fill in the blanks with the words you have circled. So now students, there is a exercise like a game. We will play it now. Now take your pencil with your hand and we will solve the exercise. The first is mother rock the cradle gently. So already it is done, gently word. Now it is already done on your book. The second is grandpa goes for a walk daily or sometimes or what? Yes, the correct word is daily. Now you find out daily word in this and circle it. Yes, where is the daily word? Here in the first row. It is a daily word. Next see. Number 3, Akbar ruled wisely. Now find out where is the wisely word. It is also adjective. These all the words are, adverbs. Next is number 4, don't speak dash or the baby will wake up. Don't speak slowly or loudly. Yes, loudly, otherwise the baby will wake up. Now find out the loudly word. Yes, here is a loudly word. Circle it. Very good. Do properly this exercise on your book. First you have to solve on this this box, and after that you have to write all the words in the fill in the blanks also. Next is number 5. Priya writes neatly. Yes, now find out the word neatly. Where is the neatly word? Yes, here is in the last row there is a neatly word. Circle it. Next is number 6. Granny loves me dearly. Now find out where is the dearly word? Here. D-E-A-R-L-Y, dearly. Now see the next. Number 7. Sheila waited for her mother eagerly. How she waited for her mother? Eagerly. Now find out the word eagerly in the box. Yes. Where is the eagerly? Here. Here is eagerly word. Circle it now on your book. Very good. Next is number 8. I always wake up dash in the morning. Late or early? Yes, early in the morning. Now find out the early word. Yes, now circle it. Early. So students, it was the exercise page number on 36. Now we have solved it. You have to write the fill in the blanks also. Now open the page number 39 from the workbook and page number 82 from your reader book. Reader book page number 82, Grammar Fun C exercise. Look at the animals on the farm. Write yes, there is, or no, there is not, to answer these questions. Here are some questions. You have to see that garden also. There is a picture on of the garden in your book. You have to see that picture and accordingly write the answers. First is already done. Is there a cow on the farm? Look at the garden. Is there any cow? Yes, tell me. Yes, there is. If the answer is yes, then you have to write yes, there is. If the answer is no, then you have to write no, there is not. Same exercise is on the workbook also. Page number 39, Grammar Fun exercise C. Answer these questions. Use yes I am or no I am not. Here are some questions. If you are thinking that the answer is yes, then write yes I am. If you are thinking that for this question the answer is no, then you have to write no I am not. First I will read. Are you a boy? If you are boy, then you have to write yes I am. If you are girl, then you have to write no I am not. Next is, are you a girl? Same thing. Are you young? If you are young, then you have to write yes I am. If you are not young, then you have to write no I am not. But I will ask you that, are you young? Yes, you are young. Okay students, this was the exercise from your poem My Shadow. Now you have to solve this all the exercises, because these all the exercises which we have done in this video, this will be included to your unit test first. So study well and learn all the answers properly. Thank you.